bread like this and cut it like this. Cut it like this into a triangle. Grab some cheese, then just take it off. Put it on like this piece. Then we're going to put it on like this. Little squares. Funny. Then we need a sunny side up. Sunny side up. I'm going to get some mayonnaise. Pour it on. Go. We have to keep another slice of bread on this. So now we are done. We just need some finishing touches. I have to make some eyes and mouth with this ketchup. Here. Make a little decoration for the sandwich. Now it is done. Thank you guys for watching my video. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to press the notification bell. Ding, ding, ding.